What's up, everybody? This is Mechanics Garage coming at you. Project 70. Really started from the bottom, not that crap everybody has to talking online. Let's see where we at today.
From the bottom.
Literally started from the bottom. Get some work at the bottom of the car today. Let's show you what we got down here. Look at that transmission cross member. Ain't that pretty? Got that in. Hook that torque converter up. Hook that to the trans. Trust me, putting in torque converter bolts on one of these cars is more than a mother. Alright, look at that right there. Ain't that gorgeous? Put that drive shaft in. Let me shine some light on here so you can see. That drive shaft is gorgeous. Looking so pretty. Only thing we got left to do on there, we got to tighten down those bolts on the U-joint, and that drive shaft will be successfully completed. As you see, we also started tacking in this line on the side. Oh, is this a gas line?
Yep, gas line.
Yeah, got that brand new gas line. We ran it on one of the last videos you saw, but we had to go ahead and tack it up to make sure it's nice and neatly under the car. Looking beautiful. Next thing we gotta do here, you see we got these big monster headers under here. So we gotta get some gaskets to go around here on the end of these flanges. So we can put in our exhaust. Remember what kind of exhaust that is you got? Flow Masters. Not dual Flow Masters going to the back. That should sound oh so lovely once we get the bad boys rolling. Alright, let's see. I think that's all we got right now for under here. Got a few other things we got to do still. You know, we got to hook up the this little line you see hanging here. This is part of the emergency brake. We got to hook that cable back up. Probably like a little bit of other things we got to do. We got to buy some more exhaust hangers. We're gonna need those before we can hang this exhaust. Cause the ones under here is kind of cruddy. You see that right there? It's a little rusty. It's one of the old original ones. Some lights, you see it better. Yep, that's where we're at today. It's coming along. As you can see, we got our list going. So trust me, if you ever want to start putting the car back together, please make a list, because you will be forgetting like the dumbest stuff. And it's not gonna come down to this big stuff like, oh, I gotta get my seats back in or my center console. It's gonna be stuff like, oh, do we got bolts for that? Because trust me, we ran back to the store at least 3 or 4 times trying to find these stupid bolts for the torque converter. They were not easy. But we got some ARP bolts, got those from Summit Racing. Those worked out beautiful. All right, that's it. Catch you on the next go round. Peace.